We have been overwhelmed by your generosity in helping us hit our Steadfast Match goal. We had set aside 90 days to hit our $200,000 matching pledge, but your gifts have pushed us over our target in the first 30 days. What can we say but thank you? So what now? One of our donors has offered to raise our matching pledge by $100,000 in order to fund a new window installation at the North Campus building. Once a former nightclub, our North Campus building still bears the scars of its past life. Your gifts will help us to continue the refurbishment and transformation of this building. With that pledge, we are increasing our Steadfast Match goal from $200,000 to $300,000. Again, all gifts made from now through May 31st will be doubled dollar for dollar. A gift of $100 becomes $200, a gift of $5,000 becomes $10,000. Help us unlock the additional $100,000 match, and you will grow our original $400,000 fundraising goal into $600,000, and you will facilitate the improvement and beautification of our North Campus building. You have certainly outdone one another in showing generosity. Join us in strengthening the work of New St. Andrews College and equipping the next generation of culture-shaping leaders. Make your gift today at match.nsa.edu.